Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will mix color off-white enamel paint for wooden surfaces. Off-white kitchens never go out of style. They provide a clean, fresh, and versatile background. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and requests about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials, and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless. Our client order 1 gallon off-white enamel paint for kitchen cabinet. Let's start by pouring enamel caterpillar yellow on a 90% ratio of enamel white. Stir the paint very well. We are more lighter. Let's add a little more enamel caterpillar yellow. Let's compare it once more. It has creamy shade now. Let's add more enamel white and drop of enamel black to reduce the cream shades. Let's compare it again. It's almost the same. Just add a little more enamel white, caterpillar yellow, and black until it's fully 1 gallon. Yes, it's off-white color already. Mixing accomplished. Until next paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you for watching, guys.